Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fun. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Subway Surfer game on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to download and install the Subway Surfers game on your Android device, first open up your Google Play Store on the Android device, which is this icon. You can see the Play Store on the top of the screen. Tap over there, and on the top of the Google Play you can see there is the search bar. Tap over there and type in Subway Surfers like this and hit enter, and over here you can see the Subway Surfer on the top of the screen. Tap on install. Now let's wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on our device. And the Subway Surfers has been installed on our device. Let's tap on play and the game will open on our Android device. And you can see guys, it's loading, and that means the Subway Surfers game has been installed on our device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.